What marine weather forecast signs mean danger offshore? Imagine you're out on the water, enjoying a day of fishing or exploring a new offshore spot. Suddenly, the sky darkens and the wind picks up. What does that really mean for your safety? Recognizing the signs of dangerous weather offshore can make all the difference between a fun adventure and a risky situation. One of the clearest signs is a quick change in wind speed. If you notice the wind suddenly becoming stronger, especially over 25 knots, it's time to pay attention. Winds between 21 and 33 knots are considered a small craft advisory, meaning smaller boats should be cautious. Winds over 34 knots can whip up large waves and make controlling your boat much harder. These conditions can cause rough seas that are tough to navigate and dangerous for fishing lines and gear. Wave height is another key indicator. Calm waters with waves less than 3 feet are generally safe. But when waves grow over 6 feet, it becomes difficult to see fish or keep your bait in the water. Larger waves often come with strong winds and can be a sign that a storm is nearby. These waves can also capsize small boats or cause seasickness for everyone on board. Barometric pressure changes tell you a lot about upcoming weather. When the pressure drops quickly, it usually signals a storm approaching. Fish tend to feed more actively before storms, but the weather itself can turn dangerous fast. If the pressure rises sharply after a storm, it might mean the weather will change suddenly, bringing stronger winds or bigger waves. Tides and currents also play a role. Strong or shifting currents can make steering difficult and affect where fish are located. Abnormal tides or sudden changes in current can push your boat off course or make it hard to stay in your favorite fishing spot. Official weather warnings are important signals. A weather watch means hazardous conditions could happen in the next 12 to 36 hours. An advisory indicates that bad weather is likely soon but isn't happening yet. A warning means dangerous conditions are already happening or will happen shortly, and you should take immediate action to stay safe. Flags on boats are another way to spot danger. A small craft warning flag signals winds up to 33 knots. A gale warning flag indicates winds between 34 and 47 knots. A storm warning flag means winds of 48 knots or more, and a hurricane warning flag warns of winds over 64 knots. Dark, tall, or fast-moving clouds often mean a storm is approaching. If you see these clouds, especially with shifting wind directions or sudden temperature drops, it's time to head back to shore or find shelter. When other boats are heading for safety, it's a good idea to do the same. For anglers, these weather signs also affect fish behavior. Fish may go deeper or stop feeding when bad weather is near, making fishing harder. Recognizing these signs helps you stay safe and increases your chances of catching fish when conditions improve. In short, strong winds, large waves, dropping barometric pressure, unusual tides or currents, and official weather warnings or flags all signal danger offshore. Keeping an eye on these signs helps protect your boat, your crew, and your fishing trip.